Welcome back to our channel. I know it can be tough to keep up with your fitness routine when you're stuck at home. But fear not, because today, we're about to make working out at home a whole lot more exciting. Today, we're going to reveal 7 household items that you can use to exercise and stay fit right in the comfort of your own home. So, if you're looking to spice up your home workouts and get creative, this video is for you. Our first household item workout is chair dips with bent legs. This exercise targets your triceps and also engages your core. Here's how you do it. Start by sitting on the edge of a sturdy chair with your hands gripping the front edge. Bend your legs at a 90-degree angle and keep your heels on the ground. Now, lower your body by bending your elbows until your arms are at a 90-degree angle, or slightly less. Then, push through your palms to raise your body back up. This variation of chair dips with bent legs is a great way to strengthen your upper body and core using a common household item. Item 2. Water bottle weights. Now, who needs expensive dumbbells when you can use plastic bottles? Fill them up and voila! You've got yourself some makeshift weights for those arm workouts. For a great bicep curl, hold one bottle in each hand. Arms fully extended. Curl them up towards your shoulders while keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower them back down slowly. And repeat. Also, for a great shoulder press, hold one bottle in each hand and raise the bottle up and back down slowly. And repeat. Item 3. Wall sits. Let's move on to wall sits. All you need is a wall. It's that simple. Wall sits are great for building leg strength and endurance. Stand with your back against the wall and slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Hold this position for as long as you can. It's an excellent way to challenge yourself and build leg strength. Item 4. Desk or chair push-ups. Now, let's target our chest and shoulders with chair or desk push-ups. Find a sturdy chair with a solid backrest or a desk. Place your hands on the backrest or the edge of the desk, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Step your feet back so your body forms a diagonal line. Lower your chest toward the chair or desk by bending your elbows. Then push back up. Chair or desk push-ups are a fantastic way to strengthen your upper body, using common household items. Item 5. Couch reverse leg raises. Now, let's target your lower back and glutes with reverse leg raises while facing a couch. Kneel in front of the couch with your hands placed on the seat and your body facing away from it. Keep your legs straight and extended behind you. Lift your legs upward as high as you can, engaging your lower back and glutes. And then lower them back down slowly. Reverse leg raises while facing a couch are an excellent way to strengthen your lower back and glutes right from your living room. Item 6. Stair-step exercises. If you have a staircase at home, you've got a built-in workout machine. Stair-step exercises are a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and tone your lower body. Let's go through a few exercises you can do. Start with basic stair climbing. Simply walk or jog up and down the stairs to get your heart pumping. Next, try stair lunges. As you ascend, take a lunge with each step, alternating legs. For an added challenge, do stair jumps. Jump up one step at a time, engaging your leg muscles. Stair calf raises are excellent for your calf muscles. Stand on the edge of a step and raise your heels up and down. Remember to be cautious and ensure the stairs are safe before starting your workout. Item 7. Step ladder exercise. For a challenging lower body workout, let's try reverse lunges with one foot in a step ladder. Place the step ladder behind you and stand with your back to it. Step one foot into the step ladder and keep the other foot on the ground. Lower your body into a reverse lunge, bending your standing knee and lowering your back knee toward the ground. Reverse lunges with one foot in a step ladder are an excellent way to target your leg muscles and add variety to your workout. And there you have it. 7 household items transformed into exercise equipment, along with detailed instructions on how to use them effectively for a full body workout at home. No need for fancy gym equipment, just a little creativity and determination. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. And hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Remember, staying fit at home can be fun and accessible for everyone. Stay healthy, stay fit, and we'll catch you in the next video. Keep working towards your fitness goals.